and we have power. We have installed the Rachio irrigation controller into the outdoor enclosure. The outdoor enclosure was genius because one of the things that I was thinking about when designing the installation or the replacement of the older system, which is the older electromechanical. So I was thinking that I was gonna have to, since the Rachio controller needs a power transformer and an AC adapter, I was thinking I'm gonna have to put like an AC outlet outside and then protect the transformer, because the transformer was not designed for outdoors. And I was thinking about, you know, how best to do that, and then I ordered the outdoor enclosure. And when I opened the outdoor enclosure, design was genius, because inside the outdoor enclosure, right now I cannot show it to you because I already installed the controller on top of it, but inside there's a built-in outlet. There's a built-in outlet to which you connect the 120 volt line right up to. Okay, and there's an AC outlet in there, so you just pull the transformer in there. See, these are the wires from the transformer. Transformer is behind this, and it fits perfectly. So genius design. It saved me a lot of work. So you did a great job, Nick, in evaluating this controller and talking to your friend, and then getting it for me. So really appreciate it. Great job. So now that it's installed, I'm gonna have to do two things. First, I'm gonna have to move this, which is the wiring that goes to the pump, to the valve, better say, the valve, which is that right there. That's one thing. Probably gonna do it today. I'm gonna have to somehow redirect this, because the entry for that is on this side. So I'm gonna have to do like some kind of an S in there and fit it in there. And then the second thing is probably gonna be a project for the next couple of days. The type of valve that this system has to irrigate the 3-zone is called a cyclical valve, meaning whenever this electric valve, which is actuated by the controller from there, whenever this opens up, then the water goes in here, and this is cyclical, and it only allows one of these 3 pipes to get water through. So as it's going, let's say this is zone 1, 2, 3, so the cyclical valve is going to be allowing water to go through 1 and not to 2 and 3. Then the next period, the next zone, when the electrical valve shuts off, then this by vacuum automatically moves on to the next zone and then to the next zone, and that's how it controls watering to all 3 different zones. So the problem with that is that I would be limiting some of the features that the Rachio controller has, because I wouldn't be able to control each zone individually as needed, because the Rachio controller has no way to know in which position the cyclical valve is going to be at any given time. So my next project is going to be to replace this with a 3 electrical valves system, and from each one of the valves I'm going to get rid of this, and then I'm going to send each valve to each one of the zones, and that's going to make me have 3 completely independent zones to be controlled as needed by the Rachio controller. So nice project, I'm enjoying it. Thank you again, and looking good. I'll keep you on the progress.